if you are using Linux and you like using the terminal a lot, like I do, then you have to start using Tmux, alright? You have to. You just have to. You learn it. Just go ahead and learn it, right? This is not a tutorial. This is just a showcase of what it can do, how I use it every day, so you can like get inspired, and then you can watch a tutorial on how to set it up and everything. I have a super small configuration, nothing crazy, right? And it's really good, and it's really easy to learn, at least to the basics, right? And the basics are all you need, basically. So if I open the terminal here, right, if I run Tmux, it opens here, right? You'll have this ugly green line at the bottom here if you do it for the first time, but that doesn't matter, right? As I said, this is not tutorial, right? Just how to show it, right? So for example, if I create a new folder, test, right, because that's definitely a good name, I can create a simple C project, right? This is the most simple example of how I use Tmux, right? So I can just create this simple C program, hello world, right? Alright, so we got this, and now I can open main.c, open another Tmux window. So now I can switch between them like this, and in this window I can edit stuff, and in this window I can execute my program, right? So here it says hello world, right? What if I wanted to say hello world 3 times, right? So I can do int I equals 0, right? I then I plus plus. What if I wanted to do 10 times? I do this, I change it. I can go into another window. Boom, it works. And this just saves time. That's all what it does. It saves time. Normally I'd have to quit out, make run, go back in. You know, if it was a long file, I'd have to like scroll down to find where I was, even though it's Vim. So I can just press Ctrl O because Vim is the best. But you get the point. It just saves your time, right? If I want to, I can just open a main page, right? Maybe I don't know what printf does, what arguments you can put into printf. I can split my screen like this and do man printf, right? This is not the best example because everybody knows how to use printf. Alright, maybe you don't know how to program in C at all, then you don't. But then you wouldn't know how to use this man page. That's not the point. Then I can just switch between them, right? And it's great, right? So that's how you can use it, right? I'm gonna cd back. I'm gonna show you my config of Tmux, right? It's super small. It's 18 lines, and half of those lines are like completely blank anyway. So I'm gonna show you exactly what this stuff does. So this one just gives me a simple key binding to switch between windows like this. Super good. This one just allows me to use a mouse. Not very good because you shouldn't use mouse while using a terminal, but I have it enabled, why not? Here I just changed my prefix because Ctrl B sucks. And everybody knows, who knows Tmux, that Ctrl B sucks. Nobody uses Ctrl B as their prefix. Nobody, literally nobody. So I changed that. Here I just have setup plugins. Right here I have this so that I can I have this one for the cool navigation I showed you earlier, right? So if I do this, oh my god, I'm stupid. Okay, I can now super quickly navigate between those, right? So that's good. Here I just changed my theme so that here's not an ugly line, but instead looks pretty good. Yeah, this just runs it, and that's my entire config, right? And that's basically all you need to know, right? Another super useful thing, maybe my favorite thing about Tmux is how you can close your terminal and it's still here, right? So let's say I just do something, right? Some text, right? I save it, or I don't save it. Oh no! I closed my terminal. What do I do now? Well, I can just do open new one, Tmux attach or Tmux add. Boom, I'm back. right? Or maybe it's not because I accidentally closed it. Maybe I have this whole workflow of different windows, right? I can open htop in the I can open top in this one or whatever, it doesn't matter, right? And then I want to get back, close the terminal, do something else, come back, Tmux attach, boom, I'm back. It's perfect, right? I can just exit out here, kill Tmux, because I don't know if there's any actual way in Tmux to close everything, but yeah, now I'm back. It's all clean again, right? No sessions active, nothing. So yeah, just go ahead, watch a tutorial and learn Tmux.